Hey guys, real quick message today. I want to make sure you understand how to log in to our Google Classroom. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Google Classroom page and then click on Career Life. All right. I did put a message in here that says urgent. I want you to watch this video. It tells you exactly what you need to do every single day. And that's where you're going to find all of your assignments. So the first thing that we need to do today is I want you to go to the daily schedule and assignments for Career Life. This is where you will go every single day, okay? Similar to Base Life English, the PowerPoint looks the same except this one's pink. It's got the attendance, it's got my contact information, and it has lessons by the day. So this was Monday, this was Tuesday, and this is Wednesday. All right, it's April Fool's Day, and somebody decided to take this card and cover it with sticky notes, and I thought it was really funny. So please don't play any pranks on anybody today, or if you do, make sure you're smart about it. All right. So your tasks for today is to watch the screencast, which you're doing right now. Then I want you to log in the hub. I want you to check your emails and respond to teachers. And then I want you to go to the Who Am I document in Google Classrooms. So if I go back out to Google Classrooms, I see this, Unit 1, Who Am I? Okay. So this is the unit we're going to be working in for the next week or so. And these are the things that we're going to learn. Yesterday, I asked you to do this self-reflection and then write a paragraph. Today, I'm asking you to complete the student transitions profile. That's all I want you to do today is to complete the student transition profile, because tomorrow we'll be doing this IEP translation. Okay, that's all I want you to do. I'm going to be emailing you a copy of your IEP tonight on Wednesday. I'm going to email that to you. And you are going to use that to complete the assignment on Thursday. Okay. If you need help with anything, click here. It'll take you to a Google form. You can fill it out, and one of the special education teachers will get in touch with you and help you with whatever it is you need. Don't be afraid to ask. We're here for you. We want to help you. Okay? Again, if you need me, please email me or reach out on Remind or send me a Google message. There's lots of ways I can help you. All right, I hope you're well. I miss you guys, and we'll talk soon.